Purpose of this video is to show the behavior of the Roomba 880 robot, where it appears to be ignoring virtual walls and having trouble finding the base, which indicates perhaps an infrared sensor problem. So first thing we'll do, we've got the robot here about 5 or 6 feet away. We have the base. The base is plugged in. The light on the base flashes approximately once every 4 seconds, indicating it has good power and is good to go. It's against a wall on a flat surface where it should be. So first we'll turn on the robot. We'll press the dock button, and the dock button flashes. And let's see where the robot goes. It doesn't seem to be seeing the base at all, and goes on about its merry way. Totally missed it. And that's typical behavior of what I'm seeing. Now let's test a virtual wall. We have a virtual wall with fresh batteries. We have a green LED indicating that it's got good power. It is in the virtual wall mode with the switch in the down position and set to maximum range. So now we'll take our robot, line it up to go through this doorway, and see what happens. And it just runs right by the virtual wall as if it was never there. That's what we're seeing. And that ends this video. Thank you.